Hello, I want to do a tutorial just to show people how to connect Python in Visual Studio Code to the database. So first of all, you want to go to find SQL Server Management Studio, right click that, run as administrator. Connect to your database as normal. You will want to check, if you right click your server, go to properties and security, make sure that SQL Server and Windows Authentication mode is checked. And you want to create a new user by right clicking security, new login, and I'm going to give any username that you want, so we could put Bob. You want to select SQL Server Authentication, and we'll give Bob the password of password. And uncheck these three options here. What you want to do next is, on the same window, go to user mapping, select the database that you're working on, and also under role membership you want to select data reader and data writer. Press OK for that. And in the code, in this string here, you want to make sure that your server is listed here. If it's got a backslash, then put another backslash in it to cancel that out. Here's an example of my server name here, which is x230 SQL Express. And database is going to be the one that you're working on here. User ID, so we put Bob, the one that we just created, and password is entered there as password. So Bob as the new user, I'm going to execute this and it should authenticate fine. Yeah, here we go. It's from my database here. So hopefully that should work for everyone. Thank you.